Okay, doctor, tell me you wanted to do what? Some kind of, what was the procedure again?
I'm suggesting a digital rectal exam to check for prostatitis.
All right, and I've told you that when I went to Mexico, the doctor said they didn't have to do that. They could do it a different way. There's no other different ways of doing it. For example, labs or urine tests or anything else.
In this case, my understanding of the best practice is that would be the only way to do it.
So you're telling me that the doctor in Mexico told me something that wasn't true, that the test that he performed on me, which he found that I did have a swollen prostate, and then after he gave me the antibiotics, found that it had swollen down back, wasn't a viable test. There's the only test that there is this digital test.
It's the standard thing that we do to check for this.
But that's the only one.
It's what I know. I mean, I
No,
imagine.
no. I understand the evasiveness here. Is it the only test that's possible for that? Or are there other tests, maybe urine tests, other ways of testing?
There's not a reliable urine test for it. There's not a reliable blood test for it. There's not an easy imaging test for it.
Okay, so that's your representation. So, I can, find out about the tests that were done to me earlier in Mexico and, ask about that then.
By all means, and if there's something that I don't know or something that would be helpful, I would be happy to recommend it for you.
Doctor, it's hard for me to believe these things. I've had many trust issues come up just today with you. It's hard for me to believe these things. You want to narrow me down into Medicare. You want me to do all these other things. And then when I tell you what's happened to me, you don't want to advocate for me. So I'm having, then you don't want me to video record and put it on YouTube. I don't feel that you're being there for me. I mean, I still don't feel it. I feel the opposite. Anything to minimize it, Grant. Anything to get you out of our hair, but not to account.
Well, I'll say it's understandable to me why you would have trust issues. I've only met you twice. You've been through a lot.
And I'm still going through a lot because, you can hear me, but I'm not hearing what I need to hear back. You hear that?
I'm going to continue to do the best I can do.
Okay, and I'm going to continue to do the best I can do by pointing things out, videotaping, and showing just, what your best is. Thank you.